I share with you guys my best trick to win this game. Now we open the app called Mangowin. As you can see, I have 1800 plus pesos in my account. And this momenti will teach you how my simple tricks work. Before we proceed, if you not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more tricks update. After we for 1 times, scroll up your phone to do this, and go open any apps from your phone, and stay for a minute and go back to the main app, and play again. And now you see I win.